Your home's entryway is more than just a point of access. It's the first impression visitors have of your space and a reflection of your style. In Frisco, where curb appeal and comfort go hand in hand, investing in professional door installation can completely transform the look and feel of your home. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetics, energy efficiency, or security, the right door makes all the difference. The impact of a beautiful entryway at your front door is often the centerpiece of your home's exterior. A new, professionally installed door not only enhances the overall look but also elevates your home's character. From modern glass-paneled designs to timeless wooden finishes, today's doors offer a wide range of options that can suit any architectural style. A well-chosen entry door also boosts property value. Potential buyers in Frisco often notice the details that set a home apart, and a striking entryway can increase curb appeal instantly. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, a new door installation ensures your home feels welcoming and polished. Benefits of professional door installation. While DIY projects can be appealing, professional door installation ensures precision and lasting performance. Here are the top advantages. Perfect fit and alignment. Improperly installed doors can stick, drag, or allow drafts. Professionals measure with accuracy, ensuring the door fits snugly into the frame and operates smoothly. Improved energy efficiency. In Texas, where summers are hot and winters can get chilly, energy-efficient doors help regulate indoor temperatures. Professional installers seal gaps and use the right materials to reduce energy loss, lowering utility bills. Enhanced security. Your front door is your first line of defense. Professional installation ensures locks, hinges, and frames are reinforced properly to keep your family safe. Longevity and warranty protection. Most manufacturers require professional installation to validate warranties. With experts handling the job, you get peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Choosing the right door for your Frisco home. Every home is unique, and so are homeowners' needs. Here are some popular entry door options. Wood doors, warm, timeless, and elegant, perfect for creating a classic look. Steel doors, durable and highly secure, ideal for homeowners prioritizing safety. Fiberglass doors, low maintenance, versatile in style, and excellent for energy savings. Glass doors, add natural light and a modern feel while maintaining strength with reinforced glass. Professional door experts in Frisco can guide you through style, color, and finish options to match your home's exterior perfectly. Signs. It's time to replace your door. Not sure if your entryway needs an upgrade? Look for these common indicators. Drafts or uneven temperatures near the door, visible cracks, warping, or peeling paint, difficulty opening or closing the door, rising energy bills despite good insulation, outdated style that no longer matches your home's look. If you notice any of these, a professional consultation can help you decide whether repair or replacement is the best option. Why Frisco homeowners trust professional installers. Frisco homeowners value quality craftsmanship, and professional installers deliver just that. Beyond technical expertise, they provide guidance on materials, finishes, and long-term maintenance. Many also offer financing options and warranties, making the process stress-free and cost-effective. Elevate your home's first impression. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire home. With professional door installation in Frisco, you can boost curb appeal, improve comfort, and enhance security, all with a single upgrade. Whether you're dreaming of a modern statement piece or a classic wooden design, expert installers ensure your new door blends beauty with performance. It's more than a door, it's the gateway to your home's personality. Now is the perfect time to transform your entryway and enjoy the lasting benefits of a professionally installed door.